Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we see constraint, sketch constraint. What are the constraints and how should you use this constraint? We see all the constraints for the constraint dialog box for this video. Let me see. Select the sketch and select the plane. Go to the plane. And there is rectangle. Rectangle. And select this. Select this as you do so. Shortcut. Symmetricity will be up here, so just to give the symmetricity, symmetricity, we give OK, and same thing we'll do respectively. Select the control and select this line and axis vertical. Now go to this constraint dialog box. It will show the symmetric. Just to give the symmetry, it will be the symmetry. How do you see? It's symmetrically move here and there. Select this line and go to the constraint box. So only length. Just to give a length, it will take OK. Select this line. Okay, I will draw some other line. For example, select this line and go to this dialog box. Only horizontal vertical length is always there. And just to go to select this line and go to select control and select this line. Go to the constraint box. Then parallel this up. You can parallel this line will be parallel. Now you can understand. This line will be parallel. Now you give undo. You can do this perpendicular to the center box. And perpendicular. It will be perpendicular for this one. Okay. Next we will see. Give undo. And midpoint. Midpoint. Select this point and select this control and select this line and go to the constraint dialog box. Then the coincident line will appear. Midpoint will be appear. So if you give equal to, use coincident or midpoint. So now I will use midpoint. So midpoint where this line to fix it. Just undo until redo this coincident also. We just click this coincident, that line will be moved and coincident for this point. If you have horizontal means horizontal line will be up here. If you have vertical, it's not showing. Length, give length will be distance. What are the distance between both? until up here. Give this. If we give length more, it's take over constraint. It is visible from violet, so we avoid over constraint. Next we will see the equal points. Double click points and click points. You can select this point. 1, 2, 3. Now you can select these all points and go to this. Delete these. Some other constraint you want to delete that, then you can select this one. Then go to this constraint dialog box. Equal points, we give these equal points. Equal length will be taken. What is the sort equal length? Will taken. Equally length will be equally divided. Next we go to see parallel tangency, not a parallel already we see. Next we go to see tangency, just saw the circle. Let's select this circle and select which line you want to tangent. You select that one and go to the dialog box, then give a tangency. Then the line will be tangent for that circle. If you want to horizontal, it will go to horizontal. If you want to vertical, it will go to vertical. So radius, you give this radius for diameter for the circle. We go to see this angle constraint. Select this one and select that next line. Go to the dialog box and go to this angle. It will appear. It will appear. It's already horizontal. Also like that. So like that we want to give a constraint for this sketch. Select. Already we discussed all the constraints: distance, length, angle, radius, diameter, semi-major axis, and this semi-minor axis. Similarly, midpoint, equal points, fix all the things, and all we will discuss only remaining semi-major axis and semi-minor axis. So select this one, go to the dialog box, so it will not appear. So the semi-major axis and the semi-minor axis only visible on irregular shape or ellipse. Draw some ellipse. Now click, select this, go to the dialog box. Now we will visible semi-major axis, semi-minor axis. So this is a semi-minor axis. Which one is the major axis will be visible. So like this will be constraint for the ellipse. It is editable. Double click and you edit whatever you want. Round to value. Thank you, round to value. Okay. Now we will solve fixed constraint. Fixed constraint is just to fix this position. Just to take that center rectangular. Just to draw this center rectangular. Now you go to select this. Right, then go to the dialog box. Then constraint will appear fixed. Now the rectangle will be fixed, it is not movable. Previously it's movable one, now it's not able to move. Now you can move this, it is movable. So the purpose only give the fixed constraint, but not able to fix constraint. If wherever if you want, then you can use it, not an big issue. Next we will go to concentricity. Concentricity is need only for two circles. First draw one circle and draw for another circle. Not a relationship with another sketches. Just select that what circle you want to concentrate. Just you can select this any one circle and go to the control and select this another circle. Go to control and select this another circle. That dialog box will be appear. Then concentricity. Just to give the concentricity, circle will be concentricity with another circle. Like this. Constraint will be. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Please support my channel. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and click on notification icon. Thank you.